Hey guys, so this is the day one of speaking in English in front of a camera. Okay, so let me increase my voice because you can't hear me if I can't speak loud enough. Okay, so today is the day one of taking this challenge of 100 days of challenge of speaking in front of camera in English, and we haven't prepared anything. So today the topic which I know a lot about, I think I know many more. See, as you can see, day one I am stuttering, I am forgetting what to speak, right? But I don't care because this is the day one and I am motivating you guys, and now not motivating even you guys, but this is what I have to take. Let me check, does this camera recording this video or not? So yes, it is. This is recording the my video. As you can see, I am making a lot of grammatical mistake, but this is not our goal. Our goal is to make a content. First off, let me check what was the time right now. What is the time right? As you can see, again I am speaking was. Look, again I used was word, which is wrong. We need to use is word. So what is the time right now? So it's 4:39. So I will speak till 4:40. This is what. So our main goal is to just read 10 pages of book, make a content every day of day one of day two, day three challenge in English, in English, right? And watch 30 minutes of two times a movie of the same scene. Okay, so rest of other things is not our goal. If we fail on to rest of other things, that doesn't matter. Why? Because I have learned one thing from Chat Tag, YouTuber who is a very famous YouTuber, and his Chat Tag is my inspiration. Okay, so what I had learned from him is that you should don't go on analysis of paralysis and overthinking. So what is analysis of paralysis? Analysis of paralysis means we think everything of so much that we don't take a action. The most important thing is action. Right now I have time to think about, okay, what topic I have to speak, okay, how I am going to speak, okay, how I am going to make my body language, okay, what lightning I should have right now. So these all are the things which just delays our work. We don't need to go on perfection, we need to go on consistency. If we achieve our consistency, then we can improve slightly day by day, little bit. So after many times, after a year, our growth will be look like this is in the this. Okay, so the topic which I am thinking about is talking about body. We all need to make our body so best. Why? Because body is something which gives us confidence, which is very important for us. Uh, right now I'm not able to talk about body because I don't even have any idea, I don't even have any uh, what we can say, any bullet points, right? As you can see, this is the day one which happening to me. I'm not doing all this thing deliberately. You will going to start. So now you can relate with me. If you start, just focus, forget everything. You should open your camera and try to make video like the way I told you to speak in any topic in English, and you will see what's going to happen with you, right? So that's exactly what's happening with me. Okay, so we all are on the same path, but I am looking for 100 day afterwards. Like, I am seeing the future self of my who has made this kind of video for the consistently in 100 days. So the person who have achieved those things, I am dreaming of that. So I don't care about right now process. Okay, so right now we can talk about how to improve our personality. Like, so again, for improving our personality, there are many things which we have to develop on. First thing is communication skill. Like, if you want to improve your personality, so for good personality, the first skill which we need to work on is your communication skill. Like, how you should talk, represent yourself, represent your ideas matters a lot. You want to have good job, earn money, earn knowledge, and come into a relationship, you need to have good communication skill. And if you are unable to have good communication skill, then you lag behind somewhere in your life, that we don't want. Okay, so first, if we want to improve our personality, we need to improve our communication skill, like how we talk, how we articulate our thoughts into words, and how we use storytelling method, like how we tell anything in a storytelling form. And other thing is that after communication, other thing is that listening ability, like if you are a good listener, then our personality will enhance. Other thing is that our overall body posture, and other after that other thing is that our body language, like we are talking like this. Okay, so मैं आपको ऐसे बताऊंगा. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry I used some Hindi words. Okay, so let's say I want to improve my personality. Okay, so what will I do? First, will I analyze myself? I analyze my flaws. What flaws do I have right now? Like first flaw, like my hair receding starts from here and here. Like my hair is for, I am losing my all hair from this side, this side. So hair gives us very good look when we have long hair. Okay, so to prevent this, I will use minoxidil derma roller. Right now I'm not using, but in future I'm using. So I will maintain a proper hairstyle once my hair will come back. Then other thing is I am going to improve for my personality is my overall looks and overall personality will be like my beard. As you can see, here is the beard. This part of my beard is very dense, but and this part is also, but not this part. Like upper cheeks parts of my beard are not very dense. So we will use derma roller here too. So then we will get a dense beard here, which looks very great. And for overall face, we first once we wake up we wash our face. Before sleeping we wash our face. And anywhere we are going in dust, we will cover our face with handkerchief or mask, anything. And we will not going to give our and we will not going to show our face directly, expose our face directly in front of sun between uh, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., like those times. Okay, so this will, because sunscreen is very expensive, so we don't want to waste money on sunscreen, but it is a very good investment if you have money, because there is no point of applying cheap quality of sunscreen. If you want a good result, then you should apply minimalist like brand sunscreen, because this gives high quality ingredients, but this cost you costly, like 500 rupees a tube. Okay, so which runs a month. So like this we have developed our overall facial structure, overall facial looks in personality. Then other thing is we need to have good body. So for good body we need to okay, why I'm looking like there all the time? I'm looking there because this is the skill which is also not developed in myself, right? So that's why I'm looking. But right now I got awareness of not looking there, so I will look here. Okay, so okay, second thing which we need to develop in our personality is our body, our physique, and our posture. So we need to fix our posture, like we should have a proper posture. And we have a great body, like I am 6.2 feet, I have 6.2 feet height, and my current weight is 65 kg, which is very underweight. Okay, so my target is becoming 85 kg muscular man. So what I will do, I will eat around 130 grams of protein every single day and 3000 calories. So this will help me to gain those weight within 2 to 3 years. Okay, so like consistency is key. Like if I'm saying like I want to make my body in 6 months, then this is completely bullshit, because it gives you a lot of mental pain. And we want a lifestyle, like if we are not making our body just for the sake of making our body, we want this lifestyle. Okay, so we will sustain all these things throughout the our life. So that's why we have long-term goals. So as you can see how I am going to develop my personality. So this is the way. First, my physical appearance developed through going workout daily, eating proper calories, and eating proper proteins, macros, micros. Okay, my overall looks will going to be developed through hair, through preventing this hair receding, and maintaining a proper hairstyle. Once I got my whole hair back, so longer hair, then this part I will grow dense beard. And overall face I will not I'm not going to expose my face directly in sun. And I will face wash whenever I come from dust, and I will not going to expose my face when in dust. So this is how two things I've developed. I have planned to improve. The third thing is going to be body language, like how you should talk. Like whenever you talk with somebody, how you should talk. Okay, so we have to talk in a very great way, like we should make a eye contact with the person we are talking, like this. Okay, so this is all the things. Have a great use of our hands, not like in a closed posture, we don't have to use that. Okay, so these are three things which, and the fourth thing in which I told you in the beginning is that communication. So we are improving our communication skills day by day, day by day, day by day. Yeah, it's not today is the day one, everybody's day one is suck, but we need to trust the process, and we will apply much hard work to improve this. Okay, so we have all this plan. So today is like, let's say we have to think long term. Right now my age is 21-year-old. Okay, so forget about our past, forget about our past mistake. In our past we don't have this much awareness. Okay, so that's why we did a lot of mistake, but we can't live our future with carrying our past mistakes. Okay, so we have to forget our past and we need to think about our future. Right now my age is 21. If I have to just be consistent for next 2 to 3 years for improving all these aspects, then when I become 24-year-old, 25-year-old, or my 24, 25-year-old self will have everything which he deserve. Okay, so this is what I think. Learning English so easy, I can learn in to 2026. Building body so easy, I can build in 2026 and 2027. Speaking confidently in front of camera, I can develop this skill in 2026. Okay, and storytelling skill, I can develop this within 1 year or 2 year. Okay, so this is the benefit of long term thinking. Okay, if I think I need all this within 1 month, then that's bullshit, that's completely impossible. Okay, but if I have a long term goal, then I need to forget about my current self. Okay, so anybody who wants to laugh at me, anybody who wants to make fun of me, they can make, because this is what this person deserves right now, because he don't have all those achievements which require to get the respect from others. Okay, so I'm accepting all those things, and if we are not going to like, I know that you guys are not watching this video till now, because the way I'm talking, nobody is going to watch, and I don't care, because you guys, if you don't know how to proper speak in English, you need to also accept this challenge, and you will also see that nobody was going to watch your video too. So that's not only, so I don't need to take these things personally. Okay, because this will going to be improved throughout the year, and so this is what I'm saying, right? So long term thing is very important. So right now I have long term thing, so I don't care about this current self, how hard is going, how pain he is going to be suffer from, and how ashamed he is going to feel, embarrassment. I need to forget about everything. I just have to look about my future self. Okay, I am not going to leave this place for the rest of my life. I don't have going to be the connection with the people I am having right now. I want to have a connection with the people who are greater at their field, who has achieved much in their field. I want to hang out with Chattag, Samarana. This kind of people inspire me, because I want to have connection network with this kind of people. So I have to kill this right now, the self right that I hold. I have to kill, I have to forget everybody about, I have to forget everything about the people who are here with me and trying to make fun of me. Okay, so my goal is simple. We have to focus on future, and once we have conquered our future self, once we have covered all our this process, then we will enjoy the fruits of our great hard work. Okay, so let me check how much time has been done. Okay, so this is already 14 minutes of recording has been done. So thank you so much guys for not watching this video, because I know nobody is going to watch, but I am going to be consistent for next 100 days, because I have two case of scenario. The best case scenario will be like I get communities like of 100 people, 200 people who is going to join me in this challenge, and they also improve their life. Or if not anybody is going to join me, I am going to improve myself, because the thing that I am doing right now is far more better than lying on the bed and scrolling reels, right? So which one gives me more result? If I have choice, I can lie on the bed and scroll reels for an hour, but that's not going to develop anything in me. But if I do just this thing, then there are a lot of things which are going to be developed within me. So I'm going to do this for the next 100 days, and thank you so much guys. That is it for today.